All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today we're going to break down the massive difference between those basic chatbots we all know and the true conversational AI that's really changing the game. Now, you've probably heard these terms thrown around like they're the same thing, but trust me, they're not. One is basically a simple script, and the other, well, it's a whole different league. Let's get into it.
So let's start with a feeling I'm sure you're familiar with, that absolute frustration of being stuck in a loop, right? You're just typing, "speak to an agent," over and over again, basically shouting into the void at a machine that just doesn't get it. Why does that happen? Well, it all comes down to the technology it's built on. So first, let's set a baseline. Let's talk about the tech that started this whole thing, the simple, rule-based chatbot.
The best way to think about a traditional chatbot is to picture a vending machine. Seriously, it's programmed with a very specific menu of options. You can only press the buttons that are there, and it can only give you the snacks it's been stocked with. Ask for anything else, and you get nothing. It just can't help.
And this is exactly where that frustration kicks in. See, these bots aren't built to understand nuance or context. They're just scanning your words for specific keywords. If you don't use the exact magic word it's looking for, the whole conversation just starts to break down.
Because it's only looking for those keywords, it is completely inflexible. It can't adapt if you ask an unexpected question or go off script. It's stuck on this super rigid, pre-planned path. And that's exactly why those conversations feel so restrictive and, kind of boxy.
So what's the end result of all that inflexibility? You get the same frustrating, scripted answer again and again and again. They don't learn from you, they don't adapt, they just repeat the script.
Okay, so now let's shift gears and see what happens when we move beyond those simple rules. It's time to meet conversational AI. And look, this isn't just a small upgrade. We are talking about a whole different ballgame.
So we're ditching the vending machine and saying hello to a skilled concierge. Conversational AI uses some really advanced tech, like natural language processing, or NLP. And that is the key that allows it to understand what you mean, not just the specific keywords you happen to type.
And this is where the magic really happens. It's not just about responding anymore. It can understand your true intent, even if your grammar is a little off. It remembers your past conversations to make the experience feel personal. It can even be proactive and anticipate what you might need next. And maybe the most important part, it learns. It gets smarter with every single interaction.
All right, so let's put them side by side. A little head-to-head showdown should make the differences pop. This table lays it all out perfectly. On one side, you've got that simple, rule-based chatbot with pretty much zero real understanding. And on the other, you have conversational AI, using deep learning and NLP to be flexible, personal, and dynamic. It's really the difference between a static instruction manual and a system that can actually learn and evolve with you.
And hey, this isn't some far-off futuristic concept. This advanced AI is already out in the wild, totally transforming how businesses are operating right now.
We're seeing this stuff pop up everywhere. It's doing way more than just customer support. It's in sales, qualifying leads, it's guiding you through online shopping, it's even helping HR screen job applicants. It's quickly becoming a core piece of how modern businesses run. And all these applications, they lead to real measurable results. And check this out. The single biggest impact, at 30%, is on customer satisfaction. Which makes total sense, right? A smarter, more helpful experience makes customers happier. But it also drives huge gains in efficiency and helps businesses cut costs. It's a win-win.
But believe it or not, the evolution doesn't stop here. The pace of this technology is, well, it's incredible. So let's take a quick peek at what's coming just over the horizon.
Get this. Soon, AI won't just react to your problems. It's going to use data to predict your needs before you even have them. Imagine an airline's AI messaging you to say it's already rebooked you on a new flight before your original flight is even announced as canceled. That's the kind of predictive service we're talking about. We're also moving way, way beyond just using your first name in an email. This tech is going to let businesses deliver completely unique, tailor-made experiences to millions of individual people, all at the exact same time. It's personalization on a scale we've never seen before. And this last one, this might be the most powerful leap of all. We're talking about AI that will begin to understand and actually respond to human emotion. By analyzing our tone of voice and the language we use, it could lead to far more empathetic and effective conversations, building what feel like genuinely deeper relationships. So this leaves us with a final, really big thought to chew on. As these incredibly intelligent, personal, and even empathetic systems get woven into our daily lives, from customer service to our smart homes, how are they going to reshape the very nature of how we communicate? Not just with companies, but with each other.